Hello everyone, welcome to this video. My name is Amitabh, a final year student and AWS community builder in a containers category. In this video, we are going to see how you can use an Amazon queue while using the AWS console to improve your efficiency and the productivity. While using AWS services in your AWS console, you can ask this AI tool about what are the S3 bucket do you own and what are the EC2 instances currently running and the what are the instances are stopped, and there are much more action you can perform. You can even visualize the cost about your EC2 instances and the CPU uses. So there are a lot of features that this AI tool that provide, which is provided by AWS, and it is built into the AWS console, so anyone can use it and improve their efficiency while using the AWS console. So without any delay, let's get started. So to use the Amazon queue, you have to log in into your AWS account and you will see this AWS icon, and beside this you have the Amazon queue icon. So this is a new layout that AWS has enabled for all the users. So just click on that icon. So it will enable the Amazon queue and it will open the interface for you to use the AI tool. So this is the interface that Amazon queue provides. You can even do the full screen, and there is a prompt library. What are the action are allowed in the Amazon queue? What are the action they can perform? So there are the actions like you can list the running EC2 instances, inspect ALB traffic, distribution to EC2 instances. So you can read all about this, and even we have the visualization. You can even visualize this thing in by creating a pie chart and the graphs for your EC2 instances and the cost, and even you can forecast this thing. And even we have the table format and the question answers. So whatever the actions you are searching for, what are the action which is AI tool is able to do, you can search from the library. And the next is you can create a multiple conversation, and there is a conversation history also, and the setting also. So we will now toggle the full screen, so you can see we are able to get the full screen. And if I say list all bucket in my account, so now it will analyze my AWS account and list all the bucket that I own in my AWS account. So it will assist me to list the S3 buckets. And later on, we will see how we can list the EC2 instances that are stopped in my AWS account across all the region. So we will wait for that. Let the AI tool finish this gathering the relevant context for the my query. So you can see it will create the table of buckets that I own in my AWS account. So here are the 5 buckets in my AWS S3. So this AI tool will help you to analyze all the S3 bucket do you own. And the best part is you can even search what are the EC2 instances in your AWS account. What are the EC2 instances in my AWS account is currently stopped. Suppose you are deployed the multiple EC2 instances in multiple regions and you don't have time to go all through the all the regions and check whether the EC2 instances are running or stopped. So you can use this AI tool to get to know what are the EC2 instances that are currently running and what are they stopped. So these are the EC2 instances that I own. So you can see these are the EC2 instances which is in a stopped state in my this region. And if I say to list all EC2 instances in all region which is top, so it will able to analyze all the region also across your AWS account. So it will list all the EC2 instances which are in the stopped phase and the stopped state. So we will wait for that, and it will create a table of the EC2 instances which is currently the stopped phase, and there are much more actions you can perform. So there are visualization and prompt also you can use to analyze your AWS resources and the cost. So it will create a pie chart and the graph for you. So we will wait for the EC2 instance to be generate the table for that, which is the start phase. So you can see these are the EC2 instances across all region, whatever the EC2 instances in the stored phase. So these EC2 instances are from the US East 1 region, and the second one is from the EU West 1. So you can see this AI tool is able to search and query into all your region. So this is a very helpful AI tool that AWS has created. Even we have the capability to forecast the next billing period based on the current bill. So if I say what is my current month bill, so it will able to query current month bill also. So it will analyze the my AWS account and query the cost management API, and accordingly it will get the data and provide to me. So there are a lot more actions you can perform. You can check the prompt AI library that AWS provide in your the Amazon Q library. So the current bill for the April, this is the current month which I have till the April 23. So it is up to date AI tool, and currently the date is the 23 April also, and this is the amount that I have cost for the bill. So if I show you, go to the AWS, so you can see this is the bill that Amazon Q also shown. And the next action we can perform the, if I show you to create a graph or the pie chart. So we will go to the visualization, and suppose I want to create a pie chart for EC2 other cost last in the last month. So it will create a pie chart that like a circle. So it will list all the cost based on my query. So we will wait for to generate a pie chart. So you can visualize also, create in a table format also, and there is also a Q&A. You can ask question and it will provide the answer based on your query, and by analyzing your AWS account and querying everything. So this is a very best initiative that AWS has done, and you should use this AI tool in your day-to-day work so that you can improve your efficiency and the productivity while working on a large infrastructure. So it will definitely help you. So do check it out according to your use case. So you can see it has generated the visualization like a pie chart. So it will show what are the cost that I have gained from the March 2026 month. So this is the cost breakdown. So this is the 97% cost I got from the EBS volume storage, and there is a data transfer, and there is a NAT gateway hour cost also. So you can get a visualization also in this AI tool. So you can even generate a graph. So there is a lot more actions you can get from the prompt library in Amazon Q. So I hope you learned something new in this video. That's all for this video. मिलते हैं next video में, तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, bye.